ang buhatan na ito karoon, kumana yung lesson 3rd reading. Ang kaya upat na ka-lesson, kumana ito, tanawa yung notebook, upat na. And, meaning to say, daghan na kayo mong nahibawan ng knowledge. Knowledge means you acquire some truth, kamaturan. Wisdom means that truth is made effective and applicable in your life. And it works. You flourish, you develop, you succeed, you're happier, wiser, stronger, better. That's what wisdom can do. If not, look at yourself in the mirror and ask, have I grown spiritually? Mentally? Am I happier? Or I'm just pretending to be? Kasi nagkagrabe ang doon ang akong pretension. Pretend. Dali po tayo. May para na ang video. So ano po ito karoon is time to listen by partner. You're given 5 minutes to talk freely about yourself, your problem, and then try to give advice. Now, how to give advice? Very simple. First, do not pretend that you know, even if you do not know. Actually, do you understand? Huwag kibaw kung saan pagsulbat, ayaw pagpakarungin mo. Tingnan mo na. Kibaw ka, I don't really know what to tell you, but I hope. Alana, but if there is something, if your classmate or partner is undergoing something you have undergone exactly the same, and you have overcome it successfully, and you exactly know what he's saying, talking about, then that's the time, perhaps gapon, you can advise. Kung ano yung buhato, nakikatri, kung ano yung buhato, niya, yung consider na, malampos na ka, baka ako na, huwag pa, iba yan. That's one way. Another, na maka-advise ka. General advice. Pray to God, trust Him. Advice pa nga. Grabe mo ka pride. Di mo ka malindo. Bisyoso mo gugay ka. Kaya suyaon mo ka. Ano, mga general na siya. Ikaw gina, bisa nasa, kaya naman dalat na. Nilay level. Kaya, ano to? Ayaw yun, patangka o advice. Kano? Kaya gani ka, ay pala po na to, kung sino, gat na. Awa na. Kaya, pag-accuse mo, dito ito tanang detalye, sa'yo yung advice. Tuhan na mong culprit, sa iyang downfall. A blind man cannot lead another blind man because they will fall both in a ditch. But that's what you're going to do. Not to fall in a ditch, but to help one another. Do you understand? So, to go on with this activity, you need to be true to yourself. To be serious. You may cry, you may not. Kasi naka-advise ka din, ikaw na po yung paminawon. Minawon ka dito, ikaw na po yung hilap. It's up to you. It is up. But the first one that you see